This video is on the Holley Mid-Mount for a small block Chevy for your accessory drive. They send out these button head bolts to put your alternator on, but they bolt in to a fixture, a nut, that's got a split in it and gets pinched when you draw them in. So even if you only do torque them down to 16 pounds, this nut thing that they send clamps down on the threads. You can't get them back out. So I'm going to change it around. Had to cut the head off of this one to get it out, and it's only been on there about 3 or 4 weeks, a month. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill these threads out of here. I'm going to put a bolt and a nut, and I'm going to cut the head down on this stainless steel bolt down to the thickness of these button heads so that it'll clear the power steering pump pulley, and then I'll put a nut on the back instead of these threads so it won't clamp down on the bolt. And then there's plenty of room back here on these two to get nuts on the back side. So that's what I'm going to do to solve that problem. And then this is kind of this cover's pretty cool, but to make it easier to service, it doesn't come with these holes in it. I drilled those holes because this is another button head nut that they give you, which you can't hardly get back off. I think I ended up cutting the head off that one too to get it off. So I drilled a hole so I could put a regular bolt in there and tighten it up, and then so I could get to the adjuster, put a wrench there to adjust the slack, to pull up the slack. And then this is how you bolt it on right here. And doing that in the vehicle after this is bolted onto the high-rise is not easy. So I chose to do that, just a little modification. You really don't see it. So that's what I did on the slack adjuster. And then I don't know if I'm going to fix this or just run 2 bolts, but when I took it apart, this tab for the power steering broke off. So either I'll make a plate to come around and catch that tab again, or maybe 2 bolts is enough to hold it. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I don't think welding it back on is going to stay. It's just too thin out there to support the power steering pump. So I might make a plate that circles around and grabs that, and put a little steel bushing on it or something so that it'll be supported by these 2 bolts. And then out here, that's probably what I'll do there. And I don't know what's going on with these O-ring things. When I took it off, it had crimped over here and split the O-ring. It wasn't leaking yet, so I think I'm just going to not run the O-rings and put gaskets in there instead, just to be on the safe side. Make sure I don't have any water leaks, because I don't want to have to be taking this thing back off again. So I don't know why it did that. I don't think it was like that when I put it in. I don't remember it being like that, but it crimped that little O-ring out and kind of crimped this thing over. I don't know what caused that, but I think I'll just put gaskets in there, and it kind of shredded up the O-rings, and it's only been on there less than a month. So a couple little fixes, minor stuff to me anyways. Thanks for watching.